Hello everyone, welcome to the digital platform. The digital platform is the future of business. You can earn in the digital platform during your free time using only your smartphone. One of the leading forms of entertainment today is the OTT platform. OTT, over-the-top media services. An over-the-top OTT media service is a streaming media service offered directly to viewers via the internet. Some of the top OTT services include Netflix, Amazon Prime, Disney Plus Hotstar, Hulu, Sony Live, ZEE5, Voot and many more. Here, we are introducing a brand new OTT platform, DMW. DMW app is the first dedicated and exclusive OTT app providing original content. App is available now on Google Play Store with an iOS version coming soon. The app is now available in 6 languages: English, Hindi, Kannada, Tamil, Telugu and Malayalam. With 10 plus years of movie production mastery, DMW has partnered with clients such as PVR Cinemas, Inox, Cinepolis, UFO Movies and Cube Cinemas to become India's most prominent media business home. DMW is registered division of ADMW India Private Limited. DMW has other subdivisions under its belt, mainly Big Screen Studio, DMW App, DMW Referral and digital entertainment channel named SSTV. In order to develop the app, build a business brand and reach a large audience simultaneously, we are introducing a referral program. How do I earn through the DMW app? Here's how. Registration is free for everyone regardless of location, both domestic and international. Once registered, you stand a chance to win a movie ticket. We provide premium content to our subscribers who go for 5-month package at Rs 749, 10-month package at Rs 1299, 15-month package at Rs 2499. If you purchase any of the premium packs, the company provides you with 6 types of benefits: 100% cashback on any plan, direct referral, team referral, DMW subscription rewards, team subscription rewards, TSR, resubscriber income. Let's see the team referral benefit. Once you activate a premium pack such as Rs 749, 2 screens, Screen 1 and Screen 2 are generated for your ID. If you get 2 other people to subscribe to the same plan, that is Rs 749, and assign them to each screen, you get Rs 150 pair matching income plus Rs 100 cashback. You make a total income of Rs 250.
Once you activate Rs 1299 plan and get 2 other people to subscribe to the same plan, you get Rs 300 pair matching income plus Rs 200 cashback. You make a total income of Rs 500.
Once you activate Rs 2499 plan and get 2 other people to subscribe to the same plan, you get Rs 450 pair matching income plus Rs 400 cashback. You make a total income of Rs 850. Similarly, if your 2 subscribers get more subscribers in the same respective plans, you earn per pair matching Rs 300. Similarly, 2 pairs bring you Rs 600, 4 pairs bring you Rs 1200, 8 pairs bring you Rs 2400, 10 pairs bring you Rs 3000. Every day, 10 pair capping with daily earnings of Rs 3000 for Rs 1299 premium plan. If you subscribe to Rs 749 plan, your daily capping is at Rs 1500. And if you subscribe to Rs 2499, your daily capping is at Rs 4500. Regardless of your choice of premium plans as well as that of your subscribers, the lower of the 2 plans is chosen as the base for pair matching, enabling you to earn Rs 150, Rs 300 and Rs 450 per pair matching income, while the extra amount is carried forward. Let's look at each plan in detail. Rs 749 plan gives you unlimited access for 5 months and provides per pair income of rupees 150 with daily ceiling limit of rupees 1,500 with a monthly income of rupees 45,000. Rupees 1299 plan gives you unlimited access for 10 months and provides per pair income of rupees 300 with daily ceiling limit of rupees 3,000 with a monthly income of rupees 90,000. Rupees 2499 plan gives you unlimited access for 15 months and provides per pair income of rupees 450 with daily ceiling limit of rupees 4,500 with a monthly income of rupees 1,35,000. Now, let's look at direct sponsor income. Whomsoever joins through your referral automatically gets added to your subscriber belt, and with each referral income they make, you earn 10% direct earnings per subscriber. DMW Rewards. When you get 25 pair subscribers, you become a hit achiever and you get one free movie ticket. Completing 50 pairs makes you a super hit achiever and you win first day first show movie ticket. 100 pairs makes you a blockbuster achiever and you get 3 multiplex tickets. 500 pairs make you a mega blockbuster achiever and you win a day out at a resort. 1000 pairs makes you a limelight achiever and you get a chance to showcase your talents on our platform. 2500 pairs makes you a foreign tour achiever and you win a foreign tour trip. 25,000 pairs makes you a TSR achiever and you become eligible for team subscription revenue. This income is generated every month. This revenue is based on viewership of content on our app and will be solely based on your subscribers count. Resubscriber income is achieved as follows. Resubscriber income is achieved as follows. Any premium plan chosen by your subscribers has validity, after which they must resubscribe to gain access. Resubscribing to the plan again earns you income the same manner as before using the same pair matching. The cycle repeats with each resubscription. Salient features. Subscribers will be considered on 1:1 ratio. Power will be carried forward. PAN card is mandatory. Bank details mandatory. Subscribers count cutoff is between 12 am to 12 pm every day. Handling charges, admin 15% and TDS 5%, total of 20% will be deducted. Daily cutoff with weekly payout every Monday. Screen 1 and Screen 2 direct sponsors compulsory. 1 mobile number, 3 subscription IDs. 1 PAN number, 3 subscriptions. Payment eligibility will only apply for premium packages. Direct sponsor income earning at 10%. No limit for direct referral income. Many people still get confused as to how this income is generated. App is created. It needs advertising. Mediators appear and subscribers join. This is how the traditional system works. Consumer distribution system. Here, you are the brand ambassador. You are the mediator and hence you become the beneficiary. So once you're the subscriber, the company considered you as a referral partner with